All right, so we're just down the road. We woke up at 8 a.m. We only had an hour and like 10-minute drive. It's already 10:15. Our delivery was for 10, so hopefully they still take us here. Should be making a right here. I think I can make a right. Oh. And then I'm supposed to just go straight. And then I need the middle lane. I kind of scoped this out on Google Earth because I was like, I don't really know what I'm supposed to do, but trucks are supposed to use the center lane, so that's where I'm going. And hopefully we can just check right in and get on out of here. I'm guessing we're gonna deliver to one of these docks. We only have 3 pallets, so it shouldn't take at all very long. So she said we're gonna be waiting. We gotta go to the other side over there. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. So I gotta back in here. Maybe do something like this. Really don't like that. Hold on. Go for that other one on the end. I don't even think that's possible. All right, we finally got a door. I'm gonna try to get this thing in there. Yeah. Huh? I did, yeah. Okay. Not gonna be fun. I think that I have to blindside this. Sort of. We barely clear that. But anyways, they let me into the facility. So I went ahead and broke my seal. But apparently I wasn't supposed to do that. So I don't know. And then shift it over without hitting this trailer. Okay. Then our next one looks like it's shit. It's like 300 miles or something like that. But you know, what can you do? You gotta take what you can get, so probably go try to deliver it today if we can get there early enough. Delivered to Gillette. What the fuck are you doing, you fucking... Have a fucking green light. What the fuck are you guys fucking doing shit for, huh? You fucking... Let me get my Boston accent going. You fucking fucks. Oh, I think my turn signal was on turning left. That's what it was. Duh. Well, that was kind of on me. But, you know, it is what it is. I'm making a right on red after this guy gets the hell out of the way. I guess, okay, I kind of screwed up there. But I was like confused. I'm like, why the fuck are these? No, dude, I'm turning right. Get the fuck out of here. Seriously? Dude, these fucking cars, I swear to God. No, don't you fucking go. Motherfuckers. Fuck. Get me out of here. I guess I was so mad, but you know, I forgot I even had my left turn signal on, so that was kind of on me. But I was like, what the fuck are they doing? Oh God, we got a homeless person begging for money. All right, guys, so we're rolling out now. I think we might be right on the money with where our tandems need to be. We're floating at that 60 PSI mark. Our nearest CAS scale along our route is 75 miles, and there is a weigh station in between, but out here on the East Coast, these weigh stations are hardly ever open, so I don't know. I think we should probably be fine. I hate risking it like this. I heard somewhere that you get 100 miles of range. Like after you pick up your load, you have 100 miles to scale it. And then if you don't scale it, then you can get a ticket. But I'm not too sure on how accurate that is. So, man, I'll say it again. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. These truck stops, well, I need to swallow. These truck stops scam the hell out of us drivers, dude. Absolute scams. All right, guys, so we made it here. We're gonna get offloaded. We have a freaking engine light on, and I am not sure why it's on. So, kind of sucks, but I don't know why it's there, honestly, and it's really annoying. won't go away. And I don't. There is a line there. Oh, didn't see it. Okay, we'll just get kind of in there and then we'll fix it. Thing is one juicy cocksucker. Can't even see that dock plate, bro. And I think I'm supposed to hit these pallets. Maybe.
Come on, everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.